How long does Samsung Smart TV last? Samsung Smart TVs are designed for durability and high performance, typically lasting 6 to 10 years with regular use. With proper care and maintenance, they can function for up to 15 years, providing a reliable viewing experience. 1. Average lifespan of Samsung Smart TVs. A Samsung Smart TV can last 60,000 to 100,000 hours, which translates to 6 to 10 years of daily use. The actual lifespan depends on factors like brightness settings, usage patterns, and overall maintenance. Second, display technology and performance. Samsung Smart TVs come in LED, QLED, OLED, and micro-LED models. LED and QLED models tend to last longer due to their energy efficiency and resistance to screen burn-in, whereas OLED screens may degrade faster if static images are displayed for long periods. 3. Factors that affect TV longevity. The lifespan of a Samsung Smart TV is influenced by brightness levels, ventilation, and power fluctuations. Running the TV at maximum brightness, exposing it to excessive heat, and frequent power surges can shorten its lifespan. Fourth, common issues over time. Some common issues include backlight dimming, dead pixels, and power supply failures. Overheating and software glitches can also affect performance. Keeping the TV clean, updated, and properly ventilated can help prevent these problems. 5. Warranty and manufacturer support. Samsung typically offers a 1 to 2 year warranty on smart TVs, covering manufacturing defects and hardware failures. Extended warranties and authorized service support can help prolong the TV's lifespan. 6. Tips to extend the lifespan of a Samsung Smart TV. Lower screen brightness to reduce stress on the backlight. Turn off the TV when not in use to prevent unnecessary wear. Ensure good ventilation to avoid overheating. Use a surge protector to protect against power fluctuations. Update firmware regularly for optimal performance and bug fixes. A Samsung Smart TV can last 6 to 10 years or more with proper care and responsible usage. By adjusting brightness, ensuring ventilation, and protecting it from power surges, users can maximize the TV's lifespan and enjoy high-quality entertainment for years.